this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the harmony part, or part 2, for our Jingle Bells duet. Remember, we're using our easy holiday duets, which you can download at the link below. First thing we're going to do is listen to the entire harmony part, that's part 2 on your sheet music, all the way through. Now, to help us practice this part, we're going to break it into 4 phrases of 4 measures each, and we'll practice each phrase one at a time at a slower tempo. So let's start with phrase 1. Now here's phrase 2. Here's phrase 3. And finally, here is phrase 4. Now that we've practiced these 4 phrases one at a time, we're going to put them all together and try to play the entire song. So that's how you play our harmony part for our Jingle Bells duet. Once you've learned how to play this part, you can get together with a friend. Someone can play part 1 and someone else can play part 2. When you play them together, it sounds really cool as a duet. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.